Cooking has been always our specialty in our road trips, and here we chose Digha Helipad Grounds to cook our food. The chicken and fish and vegetables we have purchased from the local market of Mondarmoni. As we arrived Digha quite late, it was around 2 o'clock, so we have taken all our uh, vegetables and fish and meat from Mondarmani market. Now we are preparing our food. Today we will prepare chicken curry, crab fry, and we have also brought some small fishes from Junput which will fry here. I won't be able to show you the entire cooking process as my video camera stopped working due to intense heat, but please enjoy the cooking which we did at Digha. My son also helped me in this cooking. So initially we prepared the chicken. Rice has already been prepared. Normally we carry long grain rice which is easy to boil and it consumes less fuel. And after chicken we'll prepare the crabs, and once the food is ready we'll enjoy this wholesome lunch. Why we always prefer to cook our own food? Because outside food is not always healthy, and in some of my situations even having good food at a good eatery sometimes problems occur, so I always prefer to have my food on my own. So we have started this cooking procedure from the COVID period onwards, and it's really enjoyable to cook your own food while on the go. I will also encourage a lot of my friends and viewers who enjoy traveling may include cooking as a part of their travel. It will give you enough satisfaction and enjoyment while you travel. Preparing the crabs, adding all masala to the crab, and it will be fried with masala. The chicken is almost ready. Rice has been prepared and the crab fry is also ready, and those small fish fries that is in Bengali called morola mach. Oh, nice. Really enjoying the food with chicken, with crab and fried morola fishes. Really enjoying. Thanks for watching, friends.